Here we've got Motorola Moto G100, and let me show you how to change your wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, find and select Display, and then go to Wallpaper. And you can choose it either from one of Live Wallpapers, Photos, or Wallpapers album, and I will pick the third one. Here you've got the pictures that you can apply. You can also switch to your own photos from this panel, but let me choose one from those. And for example, if you'd like to apply this one, just tap on confirmation mark and then decide if it should cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will pick both, and that's it. As you can see from now on, this brand new picture is covering both your home and lock screens. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.